On February 29th, 2019, YouTube chef CRJ would upload a video that would haunt his channel for years to come. Upon uploading it, it received so much negative feedback, he ended up privating the video. Interesting, but why did so many people hate my video? Did I use a controversial banned ingredient? Did I tell an edgy, politically incorrect joke that didn't land well? Or did I collaborate with another creator who was a complete sicko behind closed doors? No. The dish that made me a pariah was this. Beer and cheddar fondue. This is what made hundreds of Swiss nationals get angry at me. Allow me to explain. So in preparation for this video, I watched the old video and yeah, maybe I should have done a better job in hindsight. I mean, just take a look at the intro to this video. I'd say, what was I thinking, except I knew what I was thinking. The joke I was trying to make in this intro was that my first original no fondue pot fondue video was a complete disaster, and the new and improved video got nowhere near as many views as the first one. So I decided to not only start again, but present a new recipe. But upon uploading it, Switzerland basically said, F neutrality, and dogpiled my video. You know, in the video I probably should have said, and this applies for this video too, this is not an authentic recreation of Swiss cuisine. This is an American-inspired take on Swiss fondue. Had I said that at the beginning of the video, I A, would not have gotten so much hate comments, and B, who knows, it might have gone viral. Well, it's not too late, especially to fix old mistakes. Let's begin. Now, for our beer and cheddar fondue, we are not going to be using a fondue pot. A fondue pot is only good at two things. 1, fondue. 2, taking up space in your cupboard until you sell it at a yard sale 5 years later. Whenever I want to make the hot cheesy Swiss dip, I try my good old patented non-fondue pot fondue method. I have here an induction hot plate. It's much more safer. You don't have to worry about open flame. And trust me, something us Californians are a little too familiar with. And this is important, it has a keep warm feature. If you want one, I'll leave a purchase link in the description. Oh, and if you are going to be using an induction top, make sure the bottom of the pan is magnetic. Otherwise, well, see my first no fondue pot fondue method. Dear God, can people stop liking that video? Okay, first thing we're going to add is beer. Add 12 ounces of beer. It doesn't need to be super fancy. Your regular middle-of-the-road beer will do. Oh no, I have leftover beer. What should I ever do with it? Then let's add 2 tablespoons of flour. And let's thicken this over high heat. Drop the heat down to medium. Okay, with our beer base thickened, let's add 12 ounces of sharp cheddar cheese. Now, let's add it slowly in batches. We want the sauce to be nice and smooth, and we do not want any clumps in it. Then let's grate in 2 ounces of Gruyere cheese and 2 ounces of Parmesan. You know, this fondue is looking a little too thick, so I'm going to add a little bit more beer to thin it out. Did I intentionally over-thicken this just to grab another beer? Maybe. Alright, let's add a few more things. Half a teaspoon of salt. 1 clove of garlic finely minced. And a couple of dashes of hot sauce. Alright, let's give it a taste test. Bit more cheese. Just where we want it to be. So, put this on. Keep warm. Okay, cut up some sourdough cubes, roasted cauliflower, or beef sausage. Dip it in. And bon appetit. They speak French in Switzerland. I'm culturally sensitive this time. So hopefully, I taught you a brand new recipe without pissing off the Switzerland. Listen, Swiss homies, I have nothing against you. And if this channel is ever successful, I'd like to open up a bank account in your country. Just check out my other fondue video, and you'll see that I've done Swiss cuisine justice. This has been Chase Cuttin Kitchen. I'm CRJ, making cooking fun, and meaning it this time.